I'm Grant Maginnis, and I own Maginnis Made here in Concord, North Carolina, and I am one of the 2026 Local Art Lift. It was 2015. My wife asked for a dining table. We had bought a house a couple years before, and she wanted a table in our home. And I said, I'd like to try it. We finished it, and you have this pride when you sit down and you share a meal at that table. And I looked immediately, I was like, I want to do more of this. So these bowls are made from two different types of wood. The top wood is Caribbean rosewood, and Caribbean rosewood is not grown locally, but it's one of my favorite types of wood to use. But the bottom is white oak, and it's local to Cabarrus County. Over the last several years, I've become fiercely local. And the idea that you go to a local business, you support a local artist, you support a local fill in the blank, that's a family. That's a dream that these people have. And you spending your $10, $20, $2,000 with a local person, they're going to put that into the local community